So how should you deal with the markets post budget? Our sense is that this year is going to be a very good year as far as the markets is concerned. And some of the key reasons are, normally all asset classes, including equities, respond very well when the interest rates go down. As I just mentioned to you earlier, interest rates in India have been going down. And if one was to look at what is the yield on the 10-year bonds in India and the earning yields on Nifty, the spread between these two is just less than 1%. This is almost at a decadal low. So it's only a matter of time that equities begin to respond to very low interest rates, and economy begins to respond to very low interest rates, and the markets could go up significantly. Second big factor here is, as I mentioned earlier, about the rates coming down, which is leading to almost 40,000 crore rupees worth of jump in corporate profitability just by 1 percentage point reduction in the rate of interest. That will aid significantly to Nifty earnings numbers going forward. Another area which has been of key concern in earlier year has been very slow exports and slowdown in the overall global economy. Just to remind our viewers, almost 50% of Nifty earnings come from global exposure. That's a very, very large number. Now, we clearly see signs of pickup in number of economies, including US, Western Europe, as well as China. And if this trend was to continue, then our sense is that the Nifty's export-related earnings, which have been suffering a lot, could also pick up. All these factors form a strong fundamental reasons why markets could rally. In addition to this, there is one technical factor which just points out that after 2 years of negative or practically zero performance on Nifty, the markets normally give very good returns over next 2 to 3 years. So overall, a lot of things appear to be aligned for why Indian markets could see a significant rally going forward. So just to conclude, this budget will be coming at the fag end of the government's tenure. After this, only one more complete budget year will be left. So given that there are only 2 budgets left, government would want to do a lot to align the anomalies in the economy, to rev up the economic growth, to bring in the social sector spending and the rural spending, which have been suffering in the first 2 or 3 years of this government's tenure, and create a pathway to get re-elected in the next election. Thank you.